Right, so in this case here, we've got 8 members of a fitness club, and it's asking for the median of their ages. Now remember, median, okay, the iron median, okay, obviously middle, the iron middle, so it's the middle value we want. But it's really important, don't just scan this list here and go for in the middle, right? You need to put them in order first, right? Because when we say middle, middle doesn't make any sense unless they're in order, okay? Okay, saying middle means they're already been put in order. Just put them in order. What's the lowest one here? 29, is that right? Sometimes there's a big list. I cross them off as soon as I've written them down. So 31, the next one. Then 34. Then we've got 37. And we've got 42, is it? 46 next. There you go, 55 and 62, the last one. Okay, so then to get the median, it's got to be in the centre, right? And to get the centre, what I'll do is, I'll just work my way in from left to right, okay? From right to left rather, and then from left to right. Okay, so I'm homing my way in and I'm sort of cancelling out the end values, the ones at the end. So that one will cancel out with this one. This one will cancel out with this one. And then, right, it's important, if you end up with 2 in the centre, we don't want to cross both of these off, right, because there'll be nothing left, okay? But if you have got 2 in the centre, right, this represents our middle, right? This is our middle. So to get the median, you literally need to go in between these two, okay? You need to go in between these two. And you might be wondering, well, there's nothing there in between these two, there's nothing written down. But we can actually work out that numerical value, can't we? We can work out what's in between them. I mean, I don't know, it's going to be around 39, something like that, isn't it? 39. But you can actually work it out exact if you add these two values together and halve it. So 37 plus 42 and halve the answer. So if I get my calculator, okay, 37 plus 42, and halve it, and I get, press the ST, 39, yeah, I did say that, didn't I? 39.5. So that's my median. To get the range then, remember range is the highest, take away the lowest. Now the highest, remember now the highest you could get by scanning this, or you can just go look at your list now, right? The highest is that one at the end, 62, take away the lowest, 29. We get 33. The mean, of course the mean, you need to add them up, right? So we can add these values up. 29 plus 31 plus 34 plus 37 plus 42 plus 46 plus 55 plus 62. And you're then going to share that by how many are there. Now there are 8, if I remember rightly, 8 people there. Okay, so get my calculator. I'm just going to do all this in one go. Let's use the fraction button. All over 8, so that comes to 42. So the average age, the mean average age is 42. Now it says in part T, assuming that the membership has not changed in the last 4 years, what were the mean and range of their ages 4 years ago? So the same people were there 4 years ago. If you think about it, their ages 4 years ago were 4 years less than what we've got here. Okay, so you've got the 29-year-old would have been 25. Yeah, that would have been the youngest person, right? The 29-year-old would have been 25 4 years ago. The oldest person, 62. Would have been 58 4 years ago, okay? So you take 4 away from it. Now when you work out the range there, right, because it's asking for what the range was 4 years ago, of course, you just look at what the spread is between the oldest and the youngest again. So if I do 58, take away 25, you actually end up with 33, which is identical to this. The range doesn't change, okay, because 4 years ago, the oldest person was 4 years younger, but so was the youngest person. So the gap between the ages doesn't change. But the mean, however, will change. Because if you think about it, every one of those people there will be 4 years younger. So this will affect the mean by 4 years as well. So you'll get 4 years from that will be 38, won't it? Okay, so we get 38 for the mean age. Take 4 away from that. Of course, you could always check, couldn't you, with your calculator? You could always take 4 away from each of them and then work out the mean. Okay, you could actually check that to see what the answer is.